Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Majid Ahangar, master from Boys Higher Secondary School, Maidapur. Today we are going to teach co-curricular activities of 12th class subject education. Dear students, let us we try to understand meaning of co-curricular activities. Tato बच्चों इस वुचो meaning of co-curricular activities क्या गई? There was a time when co-curricular activities were called extracurricular activities. Brohas os so time te yelesa co-curricular activities wana curricular activities. They were looked upon as extras, side shows, and mere waste of time. Games as wushna extra fuzul, side show, the mere waste of time, sirf us wastage of time, benus chun kihin bachan im sait hoysar gatsan. It was believed that they encroached upon the proper domain of the school and interfered with its functioning. Yos was one evan ke yos sorry fuzul activities yos school sorry nizamdar barham kana school gum kar rukavne khatir. But now the attitude towards these activities has been changed. Magar was سورُے یُس زن attitude برہم اوس یِم خیالات ٲسۍ اَتھ متعلق یہِ سورُے چینج گوٚمُت. These activities are now known as co-curricular activities. Co-curricular یِمن کامٮ۪ن ہسا چھِ آز وَنان co-curricular, semi-curricular, intramural activities, collateral activities, and community activities. These activities are no longer looked upon as mere extras. Yim kaim nasa chanu evamanna mahaz extras ki, but an integral part of the school program. Be magar nasa evamanna na kabil tansi program school. These activities are complementary, supplementary, and substitute educational programs for all-round development of the child. Yim sare activities yiman complementary, supplementary, to substitute educational programs for all-round development of the child. Prat kun nushunama tarki hin khatir baisit khatir. These activities touch the 3H's program. Yim activities che 3H program hans HN touch karan. Number of that is head, heart, and hand on cognitive, affective, and cognitive programs. Ilmi salahiyat, affective salahiyat, cognitive programming saane amacho im tamam program khatir cho as involve gasa head, heart, hand. They have now come to occupy an important place in the regular time schedule of the school, and progress of studies is bound to be improved rather than impaired by them. Wasacho yim co-curricular activities the school ka his banam timetables mazan amid improve karna. In the words of Secondary Education Commission, yus word alphaz must quote kormo Secondary Education Commission ante, they are as integral a part of activities of school as it is curricular work, and their proper organization needs just as much care and for thought if they are properly conducted, they can help in the development of very valuable attitudes and qualities. Secondary Commission note कोर्मुत कि यूता हसा जरूरी तालीम छ यूता हसा छु खेल कूद जरूरी गिंदुन प्रगुन जरूरी इम सत attitude qualities develop गसान अकिस बच्चस co-curricular activities according to the present concept of education co-curricular activity util present मौजूद दौरक concept of education वुचो are now considered as media for the realization of the modern aim of education. Yes, आमुद media तश्कील दिन ऐसे realization छु दिवान हकीकत छु वना modern aim of education क्या गो. The development of total personality, physical, intellectual, emotional, social, aesthetic, moral, and spiritual aspects of personality. They are also source of enrichment and vitalization of the school curriculum. They provide outlets for the flow of the surplus energies of the people. In the absence of these activities, the people's education will suffer from many gaps and handicaps. Meaning of co-curricular activities can be further highlighted by explaining the meaning of curricular activities and co-curricular activities. Which is going to take curricular activities? Curricular activities concern the teaching staff only and should be conducted by teachers only. Curricular activities सिर्फ teaching staff यानी teacher मुनक़िद करान स्कूल्स में. A separate committee with an independent chairman should set up for each of the activity. इम खतर अक्सर separate committee आमें तमन चासन chairman, instructional programs, guidance services, examination and evaluation, audiovisual education programs, etc. Instructional program क्या go? The instructional committee should consist of departmental heads or senior teachers. Instructional program go at much as a departmental head या senior teacher. Its main function will be check the draft syllabi of different subjects drawn by teachers. Using main function चाहते हैं चूषण syllabus कोता शुभाचन cover कोर्मुत कोता teacher parnomut to see that teaching units are completed according to plan. तो सुचूषण teaching unit छा आमद lesson plan छा आमद lesson छा parnan आमद according to plan can and to frame the timetable of the school to be should frame current timetable school. Guidance program. Besides the guidance program, the guidance committee can be entrusted with the admission of new people. Guidance committee shima banana in charge admission shima banana using nine ladkan admission devanchu. Examination and evaluation program. Path go examination tabe evaluation program. The examination and evaluation committee can run the year's program of examination and check up the draft of question papers. Examination committee से काम इम चुवरी खतर evaluation committee बनावा papers बे examination check करान question draft तैयार करान. Audiovisual program. Pad को audiovisual program. The audiovisual committee consisting of teachers, as much as teachers who have some knowledge in this direction इनकी जानकारी से आसान अत मामलस में can assume the responsibility for promoting the program not only their own classroom but help other teachers in their work. तब चिन्ह responsibility इम काम promote करने खतर सिर्फ पन्ने क्लास खतर की बल्कि बाकी टीचर ते help करान. It should be noted that different committee are to work in close cooperation with entire teaching staff. Teach पेवन जहन्स में थावन कि मन शासन close cooperation पानुए युजन schools अंदरूनी काम चासन इम्च पगनावा entire schools में निम काम examples of curricular activities मतलब क्लास टीचिंग, प्रैक्टिकल्स, होमवर्क, लाइब्रेरी वर्क, असाइनमेंट्स या प्रोजेक्ट वर्क। दोयम पहलू पे अमुक कोक्युलर एक्टिविटीज। A curricular activities is defined as a person as a program or out of class activity. Curricular activity आमज वन सह प्रोग्राम यूजन आउटसाइड स्कूलस मज कर सुपरवाइजड एंड और फाइनेंसड बाय स्कूल अत नजर गुजर तवान तो माली मदद कर स्कूल विच प्रोवाइड्स curriculum related learning and personality development. User curriculum related हेचनस तो personality development खतर physical, intellectual, emotional, social, moral, cultural, aesthetic, etc. curricular activities are voluntary. These are conducted on or off school campus by clubs. यम सारे कंडक्ट करना स्कूलस मज या आउटसाइड स्कूलस कंपन मज क्लबन मज एसोसिएशन मज या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय द बोर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन. They are a means to enhance social interaction, self-confidence, leadership quality करू पोत, healthy recreation करू. No education curriculum is complete without curricular activities. तो education curriculum complete तो amanize curricular activities. These activities which are performed other than the academic activities in the institution are known as curricular activities. Curricular activities के यम activity यम से perform करान academic activity allow institutional में यम नशवाना curricular activities. These activities have been accepted as a part and parcel of the curriculum. Activities आमसा जरूरी मानना curriculum में. Curricular activities are to be organized by school councils consisting of teachers and people. Curricular activities are organized school council तमन मज आसान teachers to students. A separate committee should be in charge of a district item of activity. तो अत separate committee आसान in charge बनाना district level पे मतलब morning assembly excursion school publication scouting or girl guiding games and supporters hobbies debating and literary society cultural and social program library and reading room Red Cross and first aid health and cleanliness etc. These details have been given in the subsequent pages of this chapter. It should be noted that both curricular and co-curricular activities are linked with another. बिल्कुल ख्याल थावन युता अहम एजुकेशन क्लासरूम स्कूलस मज पढ़ाई युता को-curricular activities तम पान interlinked. They should not be considered as a separate मानी कि every curricular activity has its origin in co-curricular activity. प्रत कुन co-curricular activities origin ते co-curricular activities to treat them as separate would cause an institutional fracture. अगर से ऐसे मानो को अलग तेल से स्कूलस में फ्रैक्चर बदजनी पौध करान. सुबह वुचो इंशाअल्लाह टाइप्स ऑफ को-curricular एक्टिविटीज क्या होगा. आज के लिए बस इतना ही.